with the HBP program, mas na-learn ko na I am good as I am, okay lang ako, and kaya ano sugad sini, kaya ano sugad sito. It's because of the hormones na na dominant sa akon. The program also helps me to recover because I get to understand myself more. And then, na kinanglan ko ngayon gumawas. Because at some point in time last year, as in, okay na ako, hindi ako magawas, hindi ako madlawan, okay lang ako, I'm fine. Because at some point talaga, diri ko gusto nga gumawas ng balay, even Sunday. But, diri siya fine because, um, and because I'm feeling is not that good talaga. But, the profile push me to go out. Na, sige, mag-go out ka. Ginulook forward ko na before, and mag-Sunday kami go out kami every Sunday with my family, something else. Actually, moving out to the province is one of my fearless goal, like, 18 months ago. Mas naging concrete na siya why we have to move in. It was one of a goal and auspicious goal la siya before last year, but pero mas naging konkreto na siya when may na science na nagba-back up why I have to move to this place. So na-implement ko lang siya this time. Pero honestly, this program also heals me emotionally. Dati di rin pa ako vulnerable. Pero with the coaching side, I started to get vulnerable. I started to tell our story, and then yan na kaya ko na siya ikwento what had happened to us years ago, why we have ano ang reason for our losses, for the business side, even the depression sa ako ng asawa. Na-acknowledge ko na siya. Dati di ko siya gina-acknowledge na depression siya. And money is out. For the last 6 months nga, I am with the program. Kung maray ako nang join in sa program, ang pakayan ako, where would I be? 'Di ba? Even pabayaran mo ako, even ibabalik mo, pero kukuha mo na ako naintindihan, di rin pwede. Magbabayad na lang ako. Because it's a different one kasi talaga. Kung mga positive effect na laan money.